Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share for you. This is a Traveler's Notebook Junk Journal insert that I made, and it is going out to Crystal with Happy to Plan because she had won my giveaway challenge, or my giveaway, back when I launched my Etsy shop. So I made this for her, and then I also will be including some other Valentine crafty things. So I just wanted to show this to you. I have it tied up with some red ribbon here, and it's not attached, just wrapped around. This is from the Simple Stories Valentine cut apart sheet, and I had picked them up at Tuesday morning. So I just took one of the cards and wrapped it around. I layered it with some other paper from Stampin' Up, and then I did some stitching around. The cover is actually a pocket on the front and the back because I sewed two of the papers together. So I put one of the other cut aparts inside the cover there. And then I put some ribbon up there at the top from Joann's, and then I glued some of these table scatter from the 99-cent store there. So you open it up and I have a pocket. It's another cut apart. There's a belly band and an altered tag, just a simple altar with some washi and some pom-pom trim there. And there's the tuck spot there. Little flap with some vintage fabric, a heart doily, and notebook paper, a waterfall there. I sewed some ribbon on the side there. Here is a piece of vellum with a pocket, an envelope, and some Monopoly money, another doily, tuck spot with a music paper there, of sheet music, another belly band. I love this Simple Stories cut apart sheet, super cute. And another little tuck there that I sewed on. There's some graph paper the other end of the toy doily, and then a library card there. Another pocket, some music paper. This is another little tuck belly band. There's the center, and then the other side there. So lots of places for journaling and putting pictures. So I hope that she loves this. I'm gonna send some extra tags and embellishments and washi along with it. So if you would like to see some of these in my Etsy shop, just let me know down below. I think I may make some that are not Valentine, so be looking out for those. And I do have some other journals in my shop right now that are Valentine's. So if you want to check those out, you can. So there's that, and I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.